So I made a video about shrimp curry and I knew it would be controversial, but I got a comment like this. I can make quick and easy curry without the soup, yuck, and a thumbs down. And this one with the vomit emoji. No hate to this person, but let's talk. So I was always taught growing up, if you have nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. Well, I always wonder why people leave comments like this or mean comments or anything not positive on other people's things. So this was my response, basically saying it's okay to have a difference of opinions, but it's how you portray it to other people, it's how you talk about it to other people. And here at Keeping It Relle, I'm all about positivity and encouragement. I started this page to just encourage people to cook local recipes, feed your families. I say it all the time, like, I'm not a chef. I'm just a mom that likes to cook, who wants to put good food in the world. And you know what? If you don't like the same things I like, that's okay. But you don't have to say things like that. Say, let's just keep Keeping It Relle a positive place. Have a happy Aloha Friday and enjoy your weekend.